Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws and two 4.5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove four 3mm screws from the battery. Remove the speaker cable from its grooves and remove the battery. Replace the battery, and replace the speaker cable back into its grooves. Replace the four 3mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws and two 4.5mm screws into the bottom cover.